next question is coming from Linda Rich. What should I do for when choosing an affiliate program?
Well, I mean, there's many different niches out there. I mean, I don't know what niche you're looking for. If you're into the weight loss niche, you're going to get into the weight loss niche, right? If you're into want to make money online, you're going to get into the make money online niche, which is the business opportunity seekers niche. If you're looking for the personal development niche and you like self-help, those kind of things,
Right.
you're going to get to the personal development niche, right?
Mm-hmm.
The most popular one is the make money online affiliate marketing niche.
Yes.
A lot of people mostly go into that
Yes, they
because
do.
they teach a lot of marketing skill sets. They teach a lot of education on different strategies that you can
Absolutely.
implement in your business, no matter what niche it is that you're actually getting started with. So my recommendation is really focusing on getting in affiliate marketing with a make money online niche, and really take it seriously. Make a commitment when you get started. Okay.
Absolutely.
Don't expect anything in the very beginning. Expect just to go through the process.
And
Right?
trust it.
Yeah,
Trust that
but
process.
right, exactly. When you go through the process, that means you're trusting it.
Yes,
People that don't go through the process don't trust it.
they don't.
And if you trust that process and you go through it, you're going to learn a lot of lessons.
Especially
About-
patience. Your
yeah.
patience will be tested.
Your patience will be tested, yes, especially in the beginning.
Yes.
But you just have to remain consistent
Yeah.
because every day is a new day to discover something new.
Exactly.
Every day is a new day to discover something that you learn, right? And that you're applying. And more importantly, you're going to learn a lot about yourself as an entrepreneur. Because when you become an affiliate marketer, you just sign on the dotted line to become an entrepreneur and to be your own boss, right? Because it's what you do. If you're being proactive, then you'll start getting paid like a business. If you're not being proactive, you'll start getting paid like a hobby. Okay?
I've been saying that.
So keep
Yes.
focusing on making that commitment and get started with affiliate marketing niche with Make Money Online and start learning some major skill sets on how marketing works. So that way, if you do decide to try a different niche, you understand the skill sets of building any business online.
Absolutely true. Okay, there you go.